Hello and welcome back to the channel. Excuse the boxes and everything behind us. We've actually moved to a new house. So we've been in a month now, but we're waiting for wardrobes and things like that to be put in. So we moved on the 11th of July. So we're about 20 minutes from where we originally lived. And we've got a beautiful view out this window, so I'll just show you that. It's a bit breezy actually today, but I'll just show you this view out of my little office window really. I'll show you it now. So there we are, that's his view. Not too bad, and excuse the washing, it's a nice day for drying, but that's his little garden at back. Just needs a bit of sorting out, but we've got a view, and the wind turbines are towards Home Firth. So if you remember Last of the Summer Wine, it's around the area where it was filmed. So we're not far from there now. Just a quick update really to tell you that we have moved. As you can see, we've got a lovely view out of his back bedroom window. We still have the caravan. I know we haven't been away in it for a long time, but we've been busy last month anyway, and we don't usually go away in August anyway because we have childcare duties and things like that, and a lot of birthdays in August. So we are planning to go away in September in the caravan. Actually, in the caravan. The last time we went in the caravan was February to Cambridge, Cherry Hinton. Oh God, that long ago. But we are planning to go. I think we're going to go to Scotland, up that way I think. Long time since, well, it's a couple of years since we've been to Scotland, so we're looking forward to and planning, probably next week, our trip to Scotland. But just to tell you that we do have the caravan, as I said earlier on, and it's had its 3rd year habitation service. So all those people who slag off Eldest caravans, I don't know, we've not had one issue with our caravan, and it's passed the habitation service, stamp checks and everything. I think the highest stamp check was about 7%. So, and that was just around the skylight on the roof. So everything was hunky-dory. So we're ready for another year of adventures, and hopefully we've had a lot of holidays abroad this year by plane, and I'm working my way through these videos, and I've just started uploading my French videos. So if you haven't seen those, please check them out on the channel. I've just done Fort Boyard now. We're on Ile de Ron. We didn't take the caravan, of course, we just took the car, but if you watch the videos it'll explain the reason why we didn't take the cars. So hopefully normal service will get resumed, and we will be out and about in the caravan. I know a lot of people have subscribed to this channel because it's caravanning. It was caravanning related and motorhome related for a few years back, but things change, and variety of videos are coming up because we want to holiday different ways. So I hope you will carry on supporting the channel and enjoying the content. I have got quite a number of Italy videos too. Once I've done the French videos, I've got Italian videos to upload yet. So, well, to edit and actually upload. So that's going to be keep me busy for a bit. But like I say, we've been busy in the house, so I haven't had time for anything. So we might just give you a quick look around the house just to give you an idea what it's like. But I'm not going to give you an idea where it is. So we'll just give you a quick look. Hey, okay. So this is our dining room and kitchen. Just perfect for us both, this. And then we go through to the stairwell that goes upstairs, and we have a utility room here which still needs to be sorted out. I'm going to put kitchen units in there just to take place of them shelvings we fetched from other house. And this is our living room. which is just perfect for us both now. So you've got the view through the patio doors there to the garden and beyond. Like I say, we still got boxes and everything over there. So right, so that's downstairs. So we'll have a quick look upstairs and we'll finish the video off up there. Right, so nearly top upstairs. So this is Karen and my room. The wardrobes were already in this bedroom, so we like them. So we're going to keep those. We were lucky as well because they left us curtains and everything as well and blinds, so we did well with that. So we've got a little ensuite shower room. That little cabinet's not stopping, but we just put it there for a moment. So we've got a shower here and toilet and that. So like in here, we're going to have a new sink unit with cupboards underneath as well. We're quite happy with that shower actually. Actually, we never used that one actually. So we've got a bit of work to do. So I'll walk through here. We'll have a look in these other two rooms first. We'll just have a look into shower room first. Just through there, I'll turn the light on. So we've got the main bathroom as well, but it's a walk-in shower in this one, which we were thinking about putting a bath in, but now we're thinking at our age, do we just leave a shower in? We'll probably just upgrade the shower, and we're not too keen on the wall boards. It's a bit of a marbly effect, but I'll show you that now. So like I say, this is the main shower room. Well, it is a shower room now, you can't call it a bathroom, can you? So you got toilet. We still got some cabinets, so we're going to have some under cabinet. We're going to have a sink unit put in there with cupboards underneath. Same in the ensuite shower room. But it's the boarding we don't, not too keen on, so we're probably going to get all that changed. This is the spare bedroom. So we got new bed and everything for grandkids when they come. And we're still going to have wardrobes put in this corner here. So we've got plenty of places to store things. So like I say, we've got another good view out of the back garden. So we are settling in nicely now, must admit, and we don't regret the move. It's been a good move, I must admit. So this is going to be my little office room. As you can see, there's still plenty of boxes and that around. We're going to have wardrobes and that put in this corner, in this bedroom, for storage, boxes and everything. So hope you enjoyed that little quick little tour around house. I didn't want to show you too much because it's his own little private home. So I really enjoy looking out of this window at this view, it must admit. It's better than looking out at them trees we used to have in other house. So we're about 10 minutes from the centre of where we live now. So you've got Tesco, you've got Co-op, you've got Spar, you've got chemists, you've got doctors, you've got opticians, you've got little DIY shops, you've got cafes, bars, everything you can think of. We've got a railway station. So when we get older, everything's on his doorstep, and must admit we've not regretted moving here one little bit. We actually we had a bit of a, I'm not going to it, we had a bit of a stressful moving time, but we did get there eventually, and we sat there the night we moved in. We just sat on settee. I'd set television up and that, and we opened a bottle of wine, and we just said to each other, this feels like we've been in for ages. It's just like us home, even though we were surrounded by boxes and everything else. So we will be going out in caravan, like I said, in the next few months. So please stay tuned to the channel for that. And hopefully you're enjoying the varied content I'm putting up on the channel, because as a couple, me and Karen, in an older age, we want to try and do as much and see as much as we can while we can. So I think I've run out of things to say now. So if you've liked this little video, don't forget to do the normal YouTubey stuff. You know, your thumbs up and ding the bells, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you probably in the next video, which will be one of my French ones. So if you haven't seen the Boyardville one, that's live on the channel now. I'm not sure they're going to put this one up before or after our little drive around Ile-de-Ron in France as well. So this may be before or it may be after. I'm not sure. Depends how I edit it. So until the next video, and don't forget, we will be going out in the caravan, now it's past its habitation and everything else, in September, and hopefully we'll be working his way up towards Scotland. So we'll say goodbye for now. Like I say, it's just a quick update. It's probably longer than a quick update actually. But we'll see you in the next video, and it'll be from France, and I'm working my way through those videos and also my Italian videos. So we'll see you whenever we see you in the next video from wherever we are. Bye for now.